Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, July 3rd. Now let me tell you about what we can expect in terms of markets, trading hours. And that is on Sunday night, the markets will open again, but they'll have an early close on Monday morning. They open again Monday night. For Tuesday session, they also close early. And then they open again, they close at around noon, and then they open again Tuesday night. So they're following the Asia-European trading hours, but they're not going to be following the entire U.S. trading session. So that's how this is going to work over this coming holiday weekend. So on Friday, did we get those buyers to come back in? Did we see profit taking as we went into the weekend? No, we really didn't see much at all. We didn't see any dramatic moves until we get to the grain markets. But right now, what do we look for on Monday? I don't look for much at all. It'll take new news for Monday and Tuesday to cause any kind of dramatic move here in the NASDAQ market. But let's take a look at that dollar. And actually, the dollar got a little stronger as we finished the week out. I think we need to be cautious about the euro. This market could easily back off and create lower prices. So I'm cautious on the long side of that market is the way I would look at it. Now, when it comes to the notes, I think it's beautiful. A little bit weaker than I expected. I like that kind of movement. I'm looking for a controlled, lower kind of movement, but nothing too dramatic in that market over the next couple trading sessions. And gold. Gold just doesn't have a reason to do something. And for those of you who entered the contest, it'll be interesting to see how you did. And I hope one of you get that 1 ounce gold bar. Let's talk about silver. Silver not doing much, and I'm not looking for much from that market either. But let's talk about also crude oil. That market did firm up, but we have a little bit of a mixed bag when it comes to the dollar and the ability for this market to maintain this. Again, at this level, nothing telling us to be a seller, but I also think we should be cautious on the long side for that market. Natural gas traded below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here is $200 a contract. And I do look for an up move next week in that market. Let's move on to those grains. And here you can see in soybeans we had a nice strong move off of a government report. So we did see that volatility return. I'm looking for somewhat muted movement now. Do not look for this kind of behavior when it comes to Monday or Tuesday sessions. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful holiday weekend for those of you celebrating this weekend, and I hope everyone else has a great weekend as well. Look forward to being with you again next week, and in the meantime, take care.